Morning, guys. It's Monday, the 23rd. I'm at my daughter's house. Edith's 5th birthday party was awesome. I didn't do any filming. Well, I took a lot of pictures. My daughter has this bird feeder. I can't get too close. I'll fly away. I don't know if you can see it, but it's attached to her window, above her kitchen sink, so you can watch the birds. It's so cool. Wow. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. That is so neat. I don't know how good you can see it because I have it zoomed in. If I start walking towards the window, they'll fly away. I don't know why I'm talking low. Well, some people are still sleeping, but I think I'm talking low because I think I'm going to scare the birds away. Oh, there's 3 of them now. That is so cool. Let's see if I can get any closer. Ah, as soon as you start walking towards the window, they spot you. Everyone came back. Oh. Oh well, you get the gist. I think that's cool. Just show it to you in regular size, or not zoomed in. That's just, I'm sure you guys have probably seen them. Just suction cups, clear plastic. Ah, it's a brave soul. I've seen these advertised, but never seen one for real, up close. Just thought it was pretty cool. All right, guys, everybody have a fantastic Monday. Love you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.